I think it's no secret that most of us reviewers crown the Huawei MateBook X Pro as one of the best laptops of 2018. Sleek design and specs so powerful that some of the videos in this show are being edited by one of these computers. Now we're at CES 2019 and the company is showing us new things. This is the Huawei MateBook 13. We've also got the Huawei MediaPad M5 Lite. I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow with Jules Wong on camera. Let's dive in. Let's begin with the MateBook 13. This one actually stands in between the MateBook X Pro and the MateBook, and it looks slightly thicker, but the difference really is the fact that it doesn't taper like the other laptops do. There are actually two SKUs, Mystic Silver and Space Gray, and it's actually a rather light, very sleek looking computer. Out of these two SKUs, one is of an 8th generation Core i5 with Intel graphics, 256 gigs of storage, and the other is an 8th generation Core i7 with discrete NVIDIA graphics and 512 gigs of storage. The rest is pretty much the same. Both machines have 8 gigabytes of RAM, 2 USB-C ports for data transfer, DisplayPort, and charging, Wi-Fi 802.11ac, Bluetooth 5, and a 41 watt-hour battery along with a 65 watt charger included. Huawei claims 9.6 hours of battery if you go for the discrete graphics model and 10 hours if you go for the integrated graphics, obviously things that we will have to test. Content consumption is king here. We've got a 13-inch screen at 2160 by 1440 and 3:2 aspect ratio that's also a touchscreen. To top it off, we have stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, but you know what's best? The nose cam is actually gone, now placed in a more conventional area, even if with just 1 megapixel. Huawei also includes a more accurate clickpad, addressing another one of my gripes with the other variants. We've got Windows 10 Home Signature Edition, meaning very little bloat, but you also get a full year of Office 365 included. Price points begin at $999 and up to $1299 for the higher SKU, and launch is apparently on January 29th. Now let's talk about the Huawei MediaPad M5 Lite, which has got decent specifications, a sleek design, but probably one of its coolest things is its family-friendly features. There's a Kids Corner app included that allows you to set a different fingerprint. When your kids unlock it, it defaults to Kids Corner, and when you unlock it, it defaults to your user. Kids Corner lets you select applications, a time limit, and even an eye comfort mode. And everything else, we have Huawei's 2.5D glass design along with a sandblasted finish and this space gray color that's actually really nice. Content consumption is also great with a 10.1-inch Full HD IPS screen that's very bright. There are also quad speakers co-engineered by Harman Kardon that the company claims are plenty loud. And included in the box is the Huawei M Pen Lite, which also allows you to do a little creative work with the tablet. Internally, there's the Kirin 659 processor, 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, and a 7500 mAh battery that's rated for 13 hours of video playback. The cherry topper, believe it or not, the stylus is included in the box, there is expandable storage, and this tablet begins at just $299. Let us know what you think about these products in the comments down below. So far, that MateBook 13 is probably one of my favorites, and this tablet I definitely want to use for my kids. While you're at it, make sure you follow us on social media, subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.